if your free cache is frozen, then this tutorial is for you. Now first you want to click on the notification icon in the top right just to see the reason why your account is frozen. Now most of the time they will just tell you, for example, they will tell you are using VPN. Okay, the reason why we have frozen your account is because we noticed unusual activity and you are using VPN. Even if you are not using VPN, you have never downloaded VPN on your phone or your laptop, probably you will say that reason. Okay, this happened to a lot of people. Now another thing they may froze your account is because you didn't complete the verification process. Now if they ask you to send them your ID, you can just do that. Just send them your ID, send them the documents they are requested from you, and then you will be able to get back to your account within 48 hours according to free cache policies and terms and services. Now it takes like 48 hours. If you are actually using VPN, just try to remove it, because like free cache doesn't allow users to use VPN. Now if you don't use VPN and still your account got frozen and you already provided them the ID and you like your face is scanned by them because they ask you for ID, and also to take a picture of your face so that you can make sure it's you who owns the ID that you have sent them. Now if that's all, okay, you want to scroll down, and this is exactly what you need to do. They will send you a new link and then you can solve the problem. Okay, so you want to scroll down on your free cache website or the app, scroll down and then click on contact. Okay, when you click on contact, actually you need to you want to click on live support. Okay, so when you are here, you want to open a new live support, just click on here. I'm going to click here and then click on expand window, and I'm going to click here. As you can see, if you already talked to them before, click on this arrow, and after you are on this page, you want to search here for my free cache was frozen, or you can just search here for frozen. If you cannot find anything, click on send us a message. Now you just need to talk to a real human, okay, and make sure you tell them I want to talk to a real agent, or a real like someone who is going to help me. Okay, now this is just an AI agent. You can just click on I need help with my free cache account and I would like to talk to a real agent. Okay, so it's, for example, select here my account has been frozen here. Okay, my account has been frozen, and then they will give you all the things that you need to do, and click on continue, and after that you just need to give them here, now you are talking to someone who is real, so you just need to tell them exactly what's happening, and then they will tell you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so yeah, that's exactly what you need to do in order to fix your frozen free cache. So that's all you need to do. Just need to give them the reason here, what is happening with your account. Tell them my account is frozen for no reason, I have never used VPN, for example, and then they will get back to you with a new link to verify everything if that's needed. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.